Hello, in front of me I've got FOTON G7. In this video I'll show you how to set overspeed alarm. In the beginning, press OK button on the steering wheel to go to settings. Now use arrow down button to go to overspeed alarm. Press OK button and set on. You can now adjust value of the overspeed alarm. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.